Hi everyone, my name is Jen, and in this video I'm gonna introduce you how to install R and RStudio in Windows 10. First of all, open your browser and search R download in the Google. And there is a R404 for Windows. And click it, and you can see there is a download here, and click it. Then the download is started, and make sure that you are downloading the R in the R project org, which is the R standard homepage. When your download is finished, open it and start your installation. Okay, click the next and set your path and click next and next again. And I don't think you need to change the default options when you install the R. And go to the next, and your installation is started. I think it will take like 2 or 3 minutes to finish. So while the installation proceeds, actually you can fast forward the video and start download your RStudio. Okay, now the download is finished, and from now on, let's start to download the RStudio. Open your browser and search RStudio download. The first one is the official RStudio homepage, and click it. You will see the following page, and we have to choose the free version because it is enough for us to use free version, and choose the Windows. Then you can see that your download is started. Next, open the downloaded file to start your installation. And I don't know why the installation page for me is in Korean, but actually you don't need to change anything during the installation. Just go to the next until the installation is started. I don't think there will be any problem for doing so. So just wait for installation is finished. For me, the installation takes like 3 to 5 minutes. And after finishing your installation, actually you can start to use RStudio. And that's all for this video, and thanks for watching.